This is 7th graders. This is to help you with question 7 on your 3rd CR. It says the following problem was given to a group of middle school students. 95.36 minus 1.434, and Tom's answer was 8.102. Well, first of all, I just have to say, if you have about 95 and you take away 1, maybe you're around 94, maybe 93, you're nowhere near 8. So if poor Tom had used estimation and said, even if I don't think about my decimal part, if I think about 95 minus 1 gets me to 94, Tom would have known 8 is not in the realm of possibility. If you have $95 and take away 1. The teacher told Tom that his solution was incorrect because he did not follow a rule when subtracting numbers with decimals. However, the teacher gave him an opportunity to correct his work. What rule did Tom forget? What is the significance of this rule? Okay, Tom forgot to line up his place values, right? Tom forgot to line up his place values. Let me talk about what I mean by that. If I have 95 and 36 hundredths, the 9 is in the tens place, the 5 is in the ones place, the 3 is in the tenths place, and the 6 is in the hundredths place. So if I'm ready to subtract off 1.434, this 1 is in the ones place. So it's really important that you line that 1 up right below the 5 because that's the other number in the ones place. Then you have your decimal point. This 4 is in the tenths, so that better get lined up right beneath the 3, which is already in the tenths. This 3 is in the hundredths, so that better get lined up below the 6, which is already in the hundredths. And this 4 is in the thousands place, so then I have to move that 4 over to the thousands place. Then I'd be ready to subtract. Now here's the deal. If there's no number here in the thousands place, you can use a 0 placeholder when there's no values after it. So the rule that he forgot was to line up his place values. Some teachers say make sure you line up your decimal points. That's a little trick to remember, to line up your place values. So that's the rule he forgot. What's significant about that rule? If you don't line up your place values, you don't have a shot at getting the right answer. Let's just make sure we can subtract this number just in case your teachers ask you to actually perform the operation. So let's fix his mistake. Take 4 from 0. Nope. Borrow from the 6. The 6 becomes a 5. Now we have 10 ones here. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. Can't take 4 from 3. Borrow from the 5. That becomes a 4, which makes this a 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. I hope I'm right. Make sure my decimal point stays here because this is my tenths place. Now I got to hop over to my ones place. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 9 minus 0 is 9. All right, so 93.9 is much closer. Right here, when I estimated, I said 95 minus 1 will get you somewhere around 94. 93.9 is really close to 94. Poor Tom. Poor Tom forgot to line up his place values. All right, I hope that helps.